Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a made easy guide. Start by gathering materials: scissors, glue, sturdy paper, ruler, and pencil, then prep your workspace. Work on a clear surface with good light and keep a trash bowl nearby. Measure twice and cut once to save time. Follow each step slowly, test a small section first, and adjust glue amount to avoid warping. Finish with a neat trim and a light press to set. Begin the construction by laying out all pre-cut pieces in order and confirming each measurement matches your plan. Apply glue sparingly along edges, then align corners carefully using finger pressure or a small clamp to hold pieces until tacky. For rounded shapes, work in short segments and let each dry slightly before joining the next. Keep spare paper for quick repairs and periodically check symmetry to ensure the final shape looks balanced and professional. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy guides and tutorials. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, makes a fun companion to creative projects and planning your budget for supplies. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick up ideas that save you time and money. Now let's get back to the video. Once the main assembly is dry, inspect edges and trim any overhangs for a clean look, then sand lightly if the material permits. Add color or texture with paint, markers, or embellishments to personalize your work. Consider a thin coat of sealant for durability and to protect the surface from wear. Let decorations cure fully before handling, then test functionality gently. Celebrate the finished piece and note any tweaks for your next version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.